to take a look at lesson 87 today. Let's think mentally about dividing fractions, okay? Our first question on the lesson says, how many 1/6 are in 1/2? Well, whoa. Let's break that down. Let's think about that again. How many 1/6 are in 1/2? Okay, well first, we need a half to look at, a half of a whole. Okay, if this is a whole circle, and we cut it in half.
True artist.
Yeah, that's that. Let's start over. I think my brain just went like bonkers. Okay.
Can you add that in there?
So, we have a circle, and we cut it in half. They want to know how many 6ths we can fit into 1/2. Well, that means that this whole fraction will have to be divided up into 6 parts, see, because there's 6 in the whole. So that means 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many 1/6 can we fit in just half the circle? So let's erase this half because they only want to know about how many can fit in 1/2. 1, 2, 3 of them. Okay. Okay, for number 2, how many 1/12 are in a third? Well, first of all, we need a circle, and we need to see about how big a third is, okay? And a third, we know we can make a third by drawing our Y. That divides a circle up into 3 parts. Okay, so this is 1/3. So if we divided the whole circle up into 12 pieces instead, 12 divided into 3 parts would be 4 slices in each third. Okay, so how many 12ths are in 1/3? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to shade 4 of the slices and make sure that only covers a third of your circle on your paper. Look at C. It says on the paper, 2/3 divided by 2/3. So what that means is, how many 2/3, that's the second term over here, how many 2/3 can fit into 2/3? Well, that's obviously going to be only one. Only one 2/3 can fit in 2/3, right? 2/3 times, let's do this, 2/3 times 1, which would be 1/1, equals 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3. So the answer to this, how many 2/3 can go into 2/3? Only one of them. So the answer is 1. Look at D. This question says 1 divided by 1/4. So what that means in your head is, how many 1/4 will fit into 1? Well, if we have 1 whole pie and we cut it into 4ths, how many 4ths will fit in this pie? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 4 quarter pieces will fit into 1 whole. Okay, E. How many 1/3 can fit into 2/3? In other words, 1/3 goes into 2/3 how many times? How many thirds can fit into 2/3? 2. Because 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. So the answer is 2. Okay, 1 divided by 1/2. That means how many halves can fit into 1 whole pie? 2. So the answer is 2. Because 1 can be divided into 2 halves. Okay, now that is it for lesson 87. And all I want you to do for Friday is I want you to try to do numbers 12, 21, and 22. Just those 3 problems, and then check them with the answers that your parents have. Okay, and that's it for Friday. Have a great weekend.